Life, our most precious commodity. But how we waste it away. Too much time thinking. Too little time doing. Memories aren't created from things you said you would do. They're built from things you've done. So, I appeal to you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't just think. Do. You only have one life, one shot. No regrets.